Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to turn off autocorrect on your phone. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, what you're going to do is you have to locate your settings. You have to swipe down or look for the gear icon. This time, you have to scroll down and look for language and input. Some Android users can see that option right away, but for me, I have to go to System and Updates, scroll down and tap on Language and Input. Here under Language and Input, you have to locate that specific on-screen keyboard that you are using. It could be Gboard or any keyboard. For me, it's a Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. I have to click this one. And then once you tap this, you will see the typing option. You have to click that one. Inside typing, you will see this autocorrect. What you're going to do is to turn this one off or toggle this one off. So basically, that's it. All you have to do is to locate your on-screen keyboard, tap that one, and then if you see autocorrect option, you just have to toggle this one off or turn this one off. And that's how easy it is to turn off autocorrect on your phone. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.